Hi. To help combat the spread of coronavirus, Packers Products has designed an innovative and revolutionary barricade shield that can be used at retail stores, grocery stores, kirana stores, even pawn shops, supermarkets, at banks, basically any desk or cash register where there's an exchange between the agent or the owner and the customer on the other side. This is what our barricade shield looks like. It has a 10-ply corrugated frame on all sides, and there's a 300 micron virgin PET film between the frame. There will be a screen guard given on both sides that you will remove so that when you receive the frame, it's absolutely anti-dust and anti-scratch. It's extremely easy to assemble. There are these two pre-assembled feet that you just have to put in the perfectly designed cavities given at the end of the frame. You put them completely inside, and you do the same thing with the second foot. You put it completely inside, so it goes all the way in, and your structure is now ready for display. This shield serves two purposes. Firstly, it helps combat the spread of coronavirus so the customer is at ease and the retailer is happy to put it, making it a win-win situation. Secondly, you get branding space where it's really needed. The person at the cash register is at the back of the screen who's usually sitting and can communicate with the customer on the other end. This cavity is used to exchange goods or any cash required during the transaction.